Trust me, you are going to love every steps I use in creating this Ankara head wrap. What you need to do this is just your material. When I say just, I mean you don't need any other material than your fabric, your Ankara material to tie this. And the yards I'm using is just 3 yards. If you have 2 yards or 2.5, you are good to go. So the first thing we're going to do is grab the material in the length side, place on your head as seen on the screen. So you go to the back and give it a knot. The knot is going to be twice to make it firm and tight, well secured, and you are comfortable with it. So after I give it that perfect knot, which I'm comfortable with, I'm going to proceed to the next step, which is going to be gather all the excess forward like this. Okay, we're going to stretch it out. Just take your time, make it neat and well gathered, well laid, well aligned before you proceed to the next step. Here is the next step. You are going to roll it like you twist it like this. So the technique for twisting this is you twist in and not out. You see, you twist it to meet your neck and not outward. So when you twist in, it is more secured and very firm. But to the other way, it's going to be a little bit loosened up and not really firm or well gathered. Now, I've twisted to the front, then I placed it on the previous split I made. I'm going to take it round my head. So I'm coming back to the front with the excess like this. I'm going to continue twisting the excess, but take note, when I get to this point, I'm going to be dipping it under the previous twist I made. Okay, so if you want it side or center, you place it anywhere you prefer. So I'm going to place it on the side like this, pull the excess out gently, then raise it up. I'm going to raise the excess up, yes, stretch it out, then fold into two. We're going to fold it into two, arrange it, stretch it out well properly, arrange all the arrangeables, and the excess you have at the sides, we're going to find a way to secure them under the twist you made. So once all sides have been arranged and placed at the necessary place, so we're going to use your hand to arrange all the arrangeables and get them well laid, well secured, and well placed. So we are done with the head wrap and you're good to go. You can see how simple this was in doing it, so you can try it as well and tell me your feedback. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. You'll be ready for all one day, standing proud at last. With fabric